guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video, I'm going to let you know the different kinds of credit card that is available or is offered by Santander Bank. So the types of credit card that the Santander Bank offers are listed below. So first of all, you just have to make sure that you're connected to an internet service, and then to begin with, go ahead and open up a browser, type in Santander Bank. So when you're on the official page, this is how it's going to look like. While you're on this page, click on credit card from the top right, and it's going to take you to the credit card info page. So right over here, you'll be able to see the list of credit card that has been offered by Santander Bank. So what you need to do is you just have to make sure to go ahead and read the information regarding the credit card, and you can just go ahead and scroll down and you can see there are different kind of credit card that's available. So before you apply for it, make sure to go through the information. Only then press the apply button and start applying for the credit card. So these are the types of credit card that has been offered by Santander Bank. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.